Welcome back to the channel, and today I just wanted to show you the contents of LATAM's business class amenity kit. Now, I've showed you this, well, the contents are exactly the same as an amenity kit that I showed you a couple of months back, but this one, it does come in a different color as far as the outside packaging goes. So in case you're one who collects these, I think it'd be good to know. Now, this was on LATAM flight 536 from Lima to JFK. So you can see what you got there: earplugs, eye mask, the small toothpaste, toothbrush, lip balm, hand cream, and a towelette there from that Brazilian brand there. So really nothing different as far as the contents inside. It's just the outside packaging that you may be interested in, again, if you're one who collects amenity kits. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.